Riddle me this. Do you have to clean a thing that cleans? Turns out the answer is oh yeah, especially if you're starting to notice mysterious dirt on your clothes after they're supposedly clean, or if they come out smelling damp and musty.
There are both good reasons and important reasons to clean your washing machine. For starters, anytime water is involved and dirt, there's the potential to develop odors, mold, or mildew, so keeping your appliance clean will help keep your home cleaner. Plus, keeping your washing machine running efficiently for as long as possible just makes financial sense too, since those repair bills can really add up. So here's what you should be doing to keep your washing machine clean enough to clean effectively.
Whether you're trying to clean your front-load washing machine or a standard top-load, the process will be similar, and the good news is you've got options. Start by cleaning the outside. Wipe away any dirt, dust, or spilled soap. Next, clean the inside of the door with a gentle cleanser. Stuff sticks to the bottom of the door too, so pay special attention there. If you have trays for fabric softener or detergent, either use a damp microfiber cloth to wipe them out, or if they're removable, you can take those out, put them in the sink, and add some hot water and vinegar or dish soap and give them a thorough cleaning. Then make sure to rinse them and let them air dry. Have a look on the inside of the drum and other interior surfaces. If they feel or look like there's any buildup or stuck on bits, use a microfiber cloth with vinegar and give everything a wipe. You'll be running the machine next, so there's no need to rinse or remove the vinegar. Next, check the inside of the rubber seal if you have a front load and pull it back to get any stray gunk out of there. This is a key place where mildew hides.
Now it's time to run a cleaning cycle. Your machine may have a special self-cleaning cycle, and if that's the case, then this will be easy. Just follow the manufacturer's instructions and you should be tidy in no time. If it's DIY though, you can do a few things depending on your preferences and what you might have around the house.
Option 1, you can run your washer on empty with a cup of either vinegar or bleach, but on a safety note, you absolutely can't use both at the same time.
Your choice will depend on whether you have issues with mold and mildew or just bad smells. If you live in a more humid environment and have problems with mold or mildew, bleach will likely do a better job. If your washing machine is just prone to smelling a bit stinky, you'll want to go with something like vinegar. Either of these will take care of either problem, so it comes down to what you're more comfortable using and what your bigger problem seems to be. If you're concerned about residual bleach, though, affecting your clothing, it's perfectly fine to just stick with vinegar.
Your next step will be to fill your washing machine drum with hot water. If you have a front loader, add 1 or 2 cups of either vinegar or bleach and let the washing machine do its thing. If you have a top loader, you can use up to 3 or 4 cups. If you have the option on your washer to hold once it's finished filling, you can let the solution sit for about an hour. Whether you use a top load or a front load machine, most important is after the cycle, leave the top open and let everything dry off naturally and completely.
This is actually something you can do as part of the regular maintenance too if you have a front load washing machine like I do. If you close the door after each load, any residual moisture is going to start to mildew and to smell. It's actually best if you can leave the door open for a day or so to let everything inside dry out. And trust me that this actually goes a long way to keeping down any musty smells.
The other option you have is to purchase a package of washing machine cleaning tablets, and you can find these in grocery stores or just order them online from Amazon. That's where I got these tablets. They're super easy to use and really small. Just toss one in the drum and run an empty wash cycle. You'll actually see it working. Lots of nice, clean, foamy water splashing against the door. At the end of the wash cycle inside of my washing machine, it was sparkling clean, and I was actually really impressed with how these little tablets worked. Now there's any number of different brands of these like Tide, Afresh, OxiClean, and more, so feel free to experiment and read reviews to find the best.
Keeping your washing machine clean is great for its efficiency, for reducing smells around the house, and for keeping your clothes cleaner longer. And since you can use bleach, vinegar, or special cleaning tablets, the choice is yours. It's a simple job that's not going to take long, and it can be done at the same time as one of the other tasks, like cleaning your clothes dryer, and you can see how to do that right now.